There's going to be a certain number of parents that even if school is open to all in person, they're not going to be ready.
Mayor Bill de Blasio this morning on reopening school this fall after the school's chancellor sent out a letter to school staff highlighting an 8-point tentative reopening plan.
It could be every single student back in school. It could be no students back in school. We have to be ready for all of that at any point. It could change literally month to month.
The fall framework that was sent out by the school's chancellor includes enhanced health measures, which includes adequate PPE and social distancing protocols, trauma-informed transition back to school to help kids with their social emotional needs, blended learning, which is a combination of remote and in-person instruction, rolling phased starts, where students will start at different times, split schedules, which limit the number of students in the building at a time, and school support services, where bus and food operations would be adjusted.
One of the benefits of this year is that we knew our students before we went remote.
Rosie Frischella is a high school teacher in Brooklyn who's been doing remote learning with her students since March 23rd, when school buildings closed to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
I feel like I am a public health advocate. I'm a counselor. I teach English and social studies as well.
But she says it has had its benefits.
I think it's very important to keep face-to-face teaching. I would never get rid of that. But I think it has opened doors to give us a little bit more freedom, and I can check in with a student one-on-one.
She says for the 1.1 million New York City school students who are being affected, she's most concerned about their safety and getting them readjusted effectively when schools reopen this fall.
Whatever happens moving forward, we really need to have student, parent, and school staff input.
What was the final?
And we did reach out to the school's chancellor to get more of a breakdown on how things will go down this fall. We have not heard back from him or anyone from the Department of Education just yet. But of course, as we get more clarity, we will certainly pass that along to you. Let's not forget that summer school begins as early as July 1st for many students here in New York City. That too will be done remotely.